Jim, our adorable rescue greyhound dog, is so quirky and wonderful. He's got such a loving personality, and one of the most interesting things about Jim is he's almost silent. He's not quite mute. I have heard him bark about 6 times in the last 2 years, but he rarely makes a sound. Once I accidentally stepped on his foot and he yelped, and that kind of like shocked me because he, generally doesn't make noise. Anyway, in this video, I wanted to see if he'd roo, so I played some noises of other dogs rooing on the internet, and Jim does roo, but blink and you miss it. Enjoy the video. I love watching Jim. He is so chilled out and he makes me kind of chill out too.
Oh no, I bet tonight is coming.